Hello and welcome to the Goa Cricket Association's Academy ground at Porvorim. It's the finals day of the second Goa Corporate League. Reliance are taking on the Indian Oil Corporation for the big title of the GCL. Reliance, of course, the defending champions and the favourites here, with the likes of Rishabh Pant having played a blinder of an innings in the semi-finals against Air India, where he scored an historic 180 runs, are again the favourites here in the finals. Whereas Indian Oil Corporation also have some really talented players like Arman Jafar, Aditya Tare, and of course the veteran Wasim Jafar also in there, and a very good bowling unit as well, with the likes of Avesh Khan, Rohan Raje, Anand Tambekar. So it should be a cracking game, and we are expecting a lot of entertainment here.
Head says Karan Sharma, and heads it is Karan.
Reliance have won the toss and they have decided to bowl first, and that's the big news from the centre here, as the defending champions take on IOC in the big finals of the second Goa Corporate League. Reliance have gone into this match with unchanged lineup. Reliance had thrashed Air India in the semi-finals, with Rishabh Pant scoring that historic 180 runs, started with 15 sixers and 17 boundaries. So they are a confident unit there, and they have decided to field the same team, whereas IOC have made one change. So let us wait and watch how IOC approach this finals, as they will take the first strike here with one change to their batting lineup. So the news here is that IOC will be batting first, and we hope for a really good total from IOC. So the one change that IOC made to their lineup is Arman Jafar is not playing today, and they have given an opportunity to talented Andhra batsman K. Srikhar Bharat. K. Srikhar Bharat is a wicketkeeper batsman who has scored 300 runs in one of his innings in Ranji Trophy, and he also becomes the first wicketkeeper batsman to score a 300 in domestic first-class cricket. So that speaks volumes of his talent, and we are going to watch him for the first time here, and it's the big final. Ravikant Shukla, as always, the other opener for IOC, and bowling for Reliance from the pavilion end is Kulwant Kejrolia. So here's the first over.
This time the ball is racing away towards the boundary, but they just singly stopped that. No. Oh, he did well. Gets good hold of this one. The ball once again will run down to the fence. A beauty. Good swing, blasted in the offside. Piece of shot fitness takes the boundary. Good looking shot right out from the middle of the bat. Bang! She goes. Lofted shot, piece of shot fielder. He's going hammering down. Nicely bowled, but well played. Nice and straight down the ground to long off for a single. Nicely picked up, but finds the fielder. Nicely played. That was much better delivery. Oh, nicely lifted this time. Just managed to get the sixer.
Indian Oil Corporation have moved to 51 runs at the end of 6 overs. It's quite a good total on the board here at the end of the power play, with openers Ravikant Shukla and KS Bharat putting on a good solid platform for the IOC to build on here in the big finals against Reliance 1. Ravikant Shukla in particular has been good in terms of his hitting. He has scored 29 runs so far, while KS Bharat, who has just been brought in for this game, is on 16. And here's now Reliance captain Karan Sharma bringing himself on in the 7th over.
कदमों का इस्तेमाल करते हुए आगे गए, और कीपर ने उनका काम तमाम कर दिया. पहला झटका. उठाने की कोशिश, और वहां पे आखिरकार छलांग लगाई, लेकिन गेंद को पकड़ नहीं पाए. इस बार उठा दिया, देखना होगा वहां पे और एक विकेट का पतन, तीसरी विकेट का पतन जो कि
Oh, so at the halfway stage of the IOC batting innings, the stage is set for last 10 overs now, and Wasim Jaffer with Paresh Patel are at the crease. IOC were 51 in fact for the loss of 1 wicket at the end of 6 overs. Thereafter, Karan Sharma and Pawan Negi, both the spinners, applied brakes on the IOC scoring by chipping away at their wickets. IOC lost 3 quick wickets in this period, with Ravikant Shukla being dismissed on 29. Captain Aditya Tare went cheaply, and the other opener KS Bharat made 21 runs. Now it all depends on how Wasim Jaffer and last match man of the match Paresh Patel provide the shape to this batting innings. Wasim Jaffer has just hit a lovely sixer, so it seems that Wasim Jaffer is in his elements today, and hopefully IOC can profit and post a really challenging total here for Reliance, who have a really great batting lineup as well.
Lovely shot, he packed the ball into the stadium. Playing off the back foot, towards the backward point region, just a single. Looks like he did down the ground and smacked the ball way back into the crowd. Along the shot. Fielder underneath, but he can watch the ball safely.
Slow and nicely picked up. The ball is in the race to the boundary. Good looking shot, nice and straight. Down the ground, one bounce to the fence. Nicely sliced. Beats the shot fielder. The ball went like a rocket. Watchfully played nice and straight down the ground in the full face of the bat, straight to long on. Oh, that ball. Slow and nicely picked up. There's no man there. The ball will sail. Good looking shot. The ball is right off the middle. It's going. Oh, DME. Well done by the fielder there. Good looking shot. Nice and straight down the ground. There's a fielder will take that catch, and he does. That's the end of Wasim Jaffer. Oh, lot of room to swing. There's a fielder and take, and Paresh Patel. Low filters nicely picked up, and that's huge. Handsome, enormous, gigantic, massive. Gets hold of this one. It's huge. It's high. It's going. It's going. It's going. It's outstanding. It's amazing. It's awesome. It's a sixer. What a shot is it? Another good looking shot. And this time he finds the fielder. Let's go for the big one. It's a biggie. Shot point, pull beautifully. Let's go in the crowd. Once again this time. It's out of the arena. Association. It's out of the ground. It's out of the stadium. Another one. This time up and above the long-on region. It's the sixth. This time there's a connection to the fielder as well. Oh, he puts it down. Swing and a miss, and it's going to be a run out here. Well, Rohan Raj, he was running for everything like Jan Shatabdi. Swing and a miss, no ball. It's a no ball and a free hit. That is the advantage for Prudent. A slow one, but fumble from Rishabh Pant behind the stumps. If not, the ball comes from the bench. This is the connection, nice and sit down the ground. 1 ball, 2 balls with the fence. Beautiful boundary from Prudent. Going across and good leg that's gone towering. Someone should take these at least 2 runs or 3 runs in the running between the wickets. There is the fielding underneath it. Take one.
The capacity crowd here at the Goa Cricket Association's Academy ground at Porvorim has been treated to fantastic entertainment so far. Indian Oil Corporation, having been put into bat, have scored a mammoth 204 for the loss of 6 wickets in the allotted 20 overs. It's been a great exhibition of power hitting, especially by the likes of Paresh Patel and Saurabh Dubey. Paresh went on to make 51 runs of 27 balls, hitting 5 sixers, while Saurabh Dubey remained unbeaten on 40 runs that came off just 16 deliveries, and he as well hit 5 sixers. It's been just tremendous batting from the IOC, who had a solid start at the top of the order with a partnership of 51 runs between Ravikant Shukla and K.S. Bharat. Later on, Wasim Jaffer played a fantastic steady innings of 40 runs and also formed the backbone of the IOC innings. His partnership with Paresh Patel for the 4th wicket realized 74 runs, and that gave a fantastic platform for the IOC big hitters to build upon. And how they did their job is, we have seen it. It was just amazing. A quality attack of Reliance was disappearing to all parts of the ground. Many times the ball landing out of the stadium and on the adjacent roads. So it was just a great exhibition of batting. We saw many runs being scored yesterday, but that time Reliance were playing Air India, and the bowling attack of Air India was absolutely ordinary. But it wasn't the case today, as Reliance, who have the IPL players like Karan Sharma, Pawan Negi, first timer Kulwant Kejrolia, they all disappeared across the park here. Kulwant especially was the highest run conceder, wherein he conceded 52 runs off his 4 deliveries with taking just 1 wicket. Pawan Negi was the highest wicket taker, just 2 wickets though, but he gave away only 24 runs in his 4 overs. Pawan also becomes the highest wicket taker of the tournament now, taking his tally to 10. Also, Anand Tambekar, the fast medium bowler from IOC, is in the race, and we will see how Tambekar responds as his tally reads 9 wickets. Now, looking ahead to the Reliance batting, we can say that yes, Reliance do have a good enough batting attack, which if they get in, they can really make the match of it and go on to win the game as well. But for that, Rishabh Pant, who we saw was in his elements yesterday, scoring 180 of just 70 deliveries. If he gets his eye in and gets going, any chase is possible. They also have the likes of Unmukh Chand in the team and big hitters as well. All-rounder Pawan Negi can also do his fair bit of aggressive batting. So all in all, at the halfway stage, the crowd here has been absolutely satisfied with the great exhibition of batting, and now everybody here at Porvorim is awaiting a solid chase from the defending champions, Reliance One.
Listen to the connection, blasting his way in the offside and getting a beautiful boundary. Hit! Watchfully played, sensible, waiting is the call from Rishabh Pant. Beautiful, this technical fumble from the wicket keeper there, but they're in control of the ball. Yes, and no with the batsman. Watchfully played, playing away. Delay took a bit of a bounce. Shot ball and square, gets straight away to the gully fielder. Shot ball and pull, this time finds the gap, gets the boundary. Good looking shot, nice and straight off the ground. This time on the onside, gets the boundary. Yes! Slow one, nicely picked up once again, but this time finds the fielder. The line of the ball. Short ball, wanted to play away. Just missed the line. Oh, flashy field this time.
Good placement, well played. What a ball. You beauty. This time he plays well. What a shot. This time he played well. Lovely shot. It's huge. And this time one more shot for 6 runs. It's huge. It's out of here. Well played. There is protection down there. And they will take single very easily. This time, Rishabh Pant lofted it once again. And this time good comeback by Saurabh Dubey. And is there any edge? No. And this time, he plays it once again. Have to wait and watch. And straight on the ground. Towards long run. It's huge.
Now we strike by Gill into the vacant cover region boundary. Now the wicket he comes. Another timely shot, another boundary through the same region cover boundary. Lovely shot, straight pass back the bowler. Lovely fielding at the mid-on region. Played down the leg side. Lovely fielding by the fielder saved her. Slower ball, very well picked up by
Reliance are 77 for no loss in the 6 overs power play, and what a fine start they have got off to, chasing 205 for victory. Rishabh Pant is unbeaten on 43. He has played some excellent shots, amazing towering sixers here, while Shubman Gill, a teenaged Punjab batsman, is on 33. He has played some classical shots all along the ground most of the time, and we'll be hearing this name for quite some time in future, as he looks really very talented. So far Rishabh Pant and Shubman Gill have given a flying start to Reliance as they go on a mission to chase down 204 runs set up by IOC.
What a catch! He has picked up a blinder! Oh boy!
Reliance require 101 runs to win this game, with just 60 deliveries to be bowled at the halfway stage of Reliance chase. IOC are seemingly in control now after a fantastic flying start through Rishabh Pant and Shubman Gill, who put on 78 runs for the opening wicket. Then on, Rajesh Pawar was the key bowler for IOC, who took 2 wickets in his very first over, dismissing the key player Rishabh Pant. Then Paresh Patel got the wicket of Shubman Singh. So overall, slow bowlers have put some sort of a break on the Reliance incredible pace of scoring runs. So that leaves Reliance to score 10 runs per over in the next 10 overs if they have to win this game. Unmukh Chand is at the crease along with Saurabh Tomar. So this is the key passage of play now. From here on, Reliance would love to be at the same position, but with 5 overs to go, they would at least hope to take this total to 160 runs without losing any more wickets. So let us see if they can achieve that target of taking their total to as close as possible to the IOC total without losing any more wickets.
कड़ा प्रहार किया, उठा दिया, क्या ये 6 रन मिल सकते हैं? जी हाँ, मिड विकेट बाउंड्री लाइन के ऊपर से। गेंद ने बल्ले का ऊपर ही किनारा लिया। जी हाँ, बड़े कैच, बेहतरीन, लाजवाब, बेमिसाल, चौथी विकेट का पतन। ये गेंद रक्षात्मक तरीका अपना, फिलहाल 1 रन बढ़िया तरीके से चुरा लिया, लाजवाब। हालांकि नागर ने इस गेंद को खेल दिया है, 1 रन के लिए दौड़ पड़े हैं, क्या दूसरा रन लेना चाहेंगे? नहीं, बढ़िया फील्डिंग। ये गेंद इस बार और 1 रन का इजाफा, बढ़िया फील्डिंग।
Good looking shot, provides a field and this could be another wicket. Yes, it is. The catches wins matches.
Parish Patel. Nicely worked on the back inside out with the ring. They'll be slow and they'll be cautious. Half a field from the wicket keeper, good pick up and throw, but misses.
Good looking shot, good swing of the bat. The ball is doing this time.
56 runs required in 30 balls. That's the equation here for Reliance. And it's an incredible situation in the match as Reliance go hammer and tongs chasing 205 runs to win. After a flying start with 78 runs as the opening partnership, Reliance lost a few wickets in a hurry as IOC bowlers, especially Rajesh Pawar and Paresh Patel, applied breaks on their rival batsmen. But now Yogesh Nagar and Pawan Negi have got going and they have hit some amazing shots over the boundary for sixers. So they have kept Reliance in the game and they need to go in the same manner to take Reliance all the way to create history by retaining the Goa Corporate League title. But IOC are not going to give it easy. They have also been really giving their best and their bowlers are on the money most of the times, but that's the way T20 goes. It's either way, this pendulum has been swinging one way and the other. So last 5 dramatic overs to come here.
Shot ball and good pull. The ball is racing and wins the race. The ball wins the race. Oh, this time it's up in there. Someone should take this catch. Very good. Catches win matches. This is good hit. Another one. This time the captain departs on the long ball. Catches wins matches.
Indian Oil Corporation. They are looking positive. They are looking pumped up. They are looking vibrant. They are looking full of energy. Can IOC take this cup?
Avish Khan damages the furniture. Another wicket goes down. The big putter, Avish Khan, is ripping the belt off. And the wickets are fighting the chest.
Indian Oil Corporation team has made into a huddle on the pitch, and they are dancing in joy as they are the deserving champions of the second Goa Corporate League. IOC were the underdogs coming into the finals against the defending champions Reliance, but they have scripted a 14-run victory here at the GCA Academy ground at Porvory. What an excellent final this has turned out into. Probably the best T20 finals witnessed here at this ground. An amazing performance by IOC with Reliance falling short by 14 runs. The star-studded Reliance team had Rishabh Pant, Unmukh Chand, Pawan Negi, Karn Sharma, but they couldn't make the successful chase here. Rishabh Pant was the top scorer with 44 runs, while Shubman Singh made 33. Yogesh Nagar remained unbeaten on 39. In the end, it was IOC who beat Reliance in all departments of the game. A comprehensive victory for Reliance. Let's go down for the presentation ceremony.
51 runs from the bat and 2 wickets. Beautiful target, 15 lakhs. Ladies and gentlemen, round of applause for the champion team.
So there you go, IOC have become the champions of the second Goa Corporate League. A very, very big performance from the lion-hearted Indian Oil Corporation players. They gave it their best shot in the finals and have become the deserving champions, upstaging the last year's champions. Reliance won. Great performances all round here by the likes of Anand Tamvekar, the bowler, who was the joint highest wicket taker. And IOC have really won the hearts of people here, playing great cricket. Paresh Patel, once again the man of the match after his fantastic performance in the semis. So overall, it's been a great entertaining finals and a fantastic tournament as well. I hope you've enjoyed the coverage, special coverage on Prudent Media. So that's all we have in this program. It's goodbye from me, Neeraj Prabhu, and the cameraman, the man behind the lens, Tulsidas Chari, who have worked really hard to bring these pictures to you. So keep watching Prudent. Goodbye.